Hey, thanks for stopping by my channel. If this is the first time you're here, welcome. If you've been to my channel before, welcome back. Today I'm dealing with a clothes dryer that's taking a long time to dry the clothes. Typically what I do twice a year, I empty out the lint exhaust and I take the machine apart, vacuum it out, put it back together, and that solves the problem. That's also a major source of house fires, of not cleaning out your lint from your exhaust. The heat builds up inside the dryer and it can cause a fire. So like I said, I do it twice a year, which is more than adequate for most situations. The exhaust pipe runs along this back wall about 4 feet, then comes down, runs along this wall for about another 10 feet, then goes through that wall for about 12 feet to an exterior wall where it's vented out. So this is way too much piping, and I have to vacuum this out and clean these vents out twice a year. As I said, there'll be a lot of buildup inside, so I'm going to get started on that now. Before taking the dryer apart, you want to unplug it from the wall. I have the dryer drum out of the dryer, and you can see just how much lint is in here. It's a lot of lint. Even here by the motor, there's a lot of lint, and I haven't even touched the exhaust internally yet to clean that out. So I'm going to start vacuuming the inside of the dryer out now. The dryer's back together. I'm behind the dryer now. I disconnected the exhaust vent from the exhaust pipe on the back of the dryer. And I put my hand in there and clean this out on the back of the dryer. I've moved along to the pipe that's along the wall, the exhaust pipe. And just to give you an idea, you can see how much lint. I taped all the seams and joints of the piping. Just a couple of tips for you. Every time you go to do a load in the dryer, you want to take out the dryer vent and empty out any lint that's in here. You can use a vacuum or your fingers and just put it back in. And also along the door, there's a rubber seal that tends to get lint buildup on it. Just to give you a better seal when you close the door, a baby wipe is good. You just wipe it down and clean it off. Doing this, what I just showed you as far as cleaning out your lint, will make your dryer run more effectively and more efficiently, and it'll save you a few bucks on your electricity because it won't have to run as hard. Also, by doing this, you might possibly save your life or the lives of your family, because as I said earlier in the video, a lot of house fires, home fires are started through the dryer with lint buildup. So don't put that off. Give yourself some peace of mind and clean it out. If this video helps you out at all, give a thumbs up. I'd appreciate it. And if you haven't subscribed already, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you on the next video.